Workshops have been a game changer. Just this last one that we did, we're gonna be at 50,000 plus for one day. One day we made $50,000. I wish that I had done it sooner. Have no hesitations. You just gotta do it. Paul Hendricks, owned Body Balance Physical Therapy for about 20 years, been a physical therapist for about 30 years. We opened up a second location about a year ago. People didn't know us. The doctors didn't know us, so we were struggling, and we were almost really at the point of making the decision whether we were going to close it or not. Workshops have been a game changer for us, absolute game changer. We got more leads that were coming through, we got more people in the room. Everybody who came into the room, we converted 100% into initial evaluation right on the spot. Rinse and repeat. 3 weeks later, we did another one. We added about 5 or 6 new clients into the clinic down there, so started seeing momentum. Just this last one that we did, just from what we walked out with for that week, we're gonna be at 50,000 plus for one day. We did 2 workshops, so in one day we made $50,000. Yeah, workshops has been an absolute game changer. Just do it. You know, simple thing. A lot of times there's the hesitation, and I'm a hesitant person. I'm not one of these like early adopters. It's like going on, I'm jumping all in. I'm gonna research things. I wish that I had done it sooner. Having a team of people behind you that actually knows what you're doing. I could hire a marketing person and they can help me at the surface level in my clinic. But to have a whole team of people behind, that makes it so much easier for me. So yeah, if anybody who's got any hesitation on whether it can work for them, have no hesitations. It will work. Stuff just rolls just like that. It's fantastic. You just got to do it.